Hi, Sunny here. In today's video, I wish to share with you a series of questions which will help you dissolve mind identification. You don't have to do anything in particular with these questions when you are listening to this video. I would just recommend to close your eyes, listen along, and just let the questions do their work. Allow them to guide you to what they're pointing you to. The only thing I will ask of you to do is to not resist or interpret or try too hard to figure out what the questions are and how they work and if you're doing it right. This is the only thing that I ask you to do. And it's more so of a not doing, right? I'm asking you to not do that. Just don't try too hard and don't try to figure out. And then you simply just be. Just let the words guide your attention. Okay? So let's begin. What am I? Am I this sound? Am I these sensations that are appearing in my experience? What am I aware as? I can see what I am aware of. I am aware of the five sense perceptions happening. I am aware of the sensations. I am aware of thoughts. But as what am I aware of those things? What is aware of this experience? Am I the sound that is arising? Am I the thought which says yes or no? The thoughts which say, I don't really understand this, or I'm uncomfortable, or the thought which says, I am awareness. Am I any of those thoughts? Am I a thought? Or are all thoughts known by me to come and go while I do not come and go? Am I aware? This is pretty clear, right? This seems quite obvious. I am aware of experience. But what is it exactly that is aware? Without referencing anything you've heard in the past, or read in a book, or watched in a video, or even realized in meditation or whatnot. Let the past be the past. Here and now, look into your experience and see, as what am I aware? What is it that is aware right now? Is it a sound? Is it a sight? Is it a feeling? Is it a thought? Can I identify that which is aware? Where is it? The thoughts which say, oh, it's in the head somewhere. The head sensation I am aware of. Is the head sensation aware of me? As what am I aware of head sensation? As what am I aware of the thought which says it's in the head? What am I? The agitation that may be arising right now. Am I that? The mind which is waiting for something to happen. Am I that? As what am I aware of those things? I am aware of the agitation. I am aware of the mind saying this and that. What is it exactly that is aware of those things? I know that is myself. I know I'm aware, but what exactly am I? As what am I here? As what am I present? The mind which is talking about things, saying things, and the perspective that it speaks from, which includes a face, a name, a story. Am I that? Am I a name? Am I the story that the mind tells? Am I the person the mind says I am? Because I see that person to change while I do not change. I am simply aware always. What am I aware as? What am I? Am I this talker, this thinker? Am I the interpreter that is always interpreting and describing and judging things? I always see it talking, see it saying that, this, and that. Am I that? What am I? Can these questions be answered by the mind, which says this and that? Can these questions be answered by the interpreter, the describer, the judger, which I see? I see the talker. The talker does not see me. Can the talker know anything of me? Can anything the talker say about me be true? What am I? You see, for these questions, you have to stop relying on your mind to generate a conceptual answer, because any conceptual answer the mind generates, you just have to see, is that what you are? Can that be what you are? Can that be that which is aware of that question, that answer? Forget about answering this question. Instead, allow these questions to make you aware of yourself, make you aware of the fact that you are aware. Nothing more. These questions bring you away from the mind and what it says, away from experience and what it is appearing as, and they make you aware of yourself, the self that is aware. This is your true identity. It is very vague in the beginning, and you constantly, through habit, try to put a face or a name to it. You keep trying to talk about it, but you have to keep seeing that the talker is not what you are. Isn't that what is meant by dissolving identification with the mind? You have to keep seeing that you are not the mind which is saying this and that. You are not the talker. You are that in whose seeing the talker appears. Forget what the talker is saying. Keep returning to yourself. Keep noticing yourself, your awareness. The only thing you know to be true about yourself is I am. I am aware. So this is about seeing that fact, noticing that fact, wordlessly being aware of that fact. It is a self-awareness. And this, my friend, dissolves mind identification more intensely than anything else I have ever seen. You can test this against all odds because this directly brings you to yourself. So if you need to listen to this video again and again for a few days to really start to see what these questions are pointing you to, I really recommend it. Once you start practicing this, what we call self-inquiry meditation, life will never be the same again. Your whole understanding will begin to shift. If you want to learn self-inquiry, I have a free course on self-inquiry right now. I'll link it down below. You have to join my support group to get access to it. The group is also free to join. And I recommend joining it because doing this practice, it's difficult if you're alone. So in the group, we have tons of other members who are devoted to this practice. And you're over there, you can get some company, share insights, get feedback on your practice, I really recommend it. Join down below. I look forward to seeing you in the community. Let me know what you thought about today's video down below. Would you like me to make more videos like this with self-inquiry questions that guide your attention inward? Let me know, because based on your feedback, I make these videos just so they help you. So I really like to hear from you. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.